Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a new theme. In this case this is called PostMagazine. It's a free WordPress theme. It's one I particularly like actually, because it's, I'll show you what the site looks like first and foremost. I saw this with somebody else's site on Wealthy Affiliate, which is my hosting company, and I choose them because they have some very, well, you can read why if you read my #1 recommendation on this site here. Anyway, the bottom line of it was I came across a site with another member, and having looked at it, I really liked what I saw, and to me it epitomised everything that I would like to see in a WordPress site. And I figured that as a reader, my readers might like to see a cleaner, crisper look. So this is PostMagazine. It's a free WordPress theme, and it comes from blogging themes, I believe. I will find out correctly and do a blog post on it anyway. But this is how it. This is the theme I've got on it, and as you can see, it looks really nice. It's clean, it's crisp. And how did I get it on there? Very, very simple. I went to themes in my WordPress backend. And what I did was, because it's not an installed theme here, I had to click on Add New. So I've clicked on Add New, and then I've gone to the blogging theme style is what it's called. You can download this theme from there. So I've downloaded it. I've downloaded it to my download section on the computer. And then what you then do is you then upload it into this area here. And it gives you a chance to preview the theme before you put it in. Now, I personally, as I said before, like this one. It's very good, it's clean, it's crisp, and it does exactly what I wanted to do. So anyway, it's been uploaded, and it's been activated, and you can see exactly what it does. It really is a beautiful thing. Let's just go back to it one more time. It does everything literally. It looks professional, it looks good. You can obviously tell I'm very pleased with it, and it's a nice, crisp, clean layout with all the tabs, my #1 recommendation, getting started, and all that type of stuff. It's all there, reviews and resources as well that you can have, as well as having you can get your free starter membership, etc. So that's how I've uploaded PostMagazine, free WordPress theme from blogging themes styles into WordPress, and it's very, very useful. It's something that makes your blog look a lot nicer. It's been designed for bloggers in particular. Anyway, that's how I've uploaded that free WordPress theme onto WordPress. Hope it's been of use, and thank you very much for watching.